silage. Almost got this load empty. Powered by the PTO shaft. Moves the floor in there, moves the beaters, and then unloading. There's a chain with this basically angle iron. Brings it across. Same with the bagger. Brings it up into there. And then there's these beaters in here. And then it beats it into the up north silage bag. Or ag bag. Looks like I need to pull ahead. There we go. We almost got this one empty. I'm in the smaller 4450, and the bagger tractor is always the 4430. Ooh. Just started that. So I'll finish this up. That's about it. So I'll show you what we do when I get the load home, when I get it done. Almost done, but we got 4 tractors running today. We got that one bagging, this 4450 unloading, the other 4450 is chopping with 3970 chopper, and a 4440 mowing hay. Oh, that should be good. Put my steering wheel up, throttle down, turn the PTO off. PTO off, throttle down. Make sure I stay above 1,000 RPMs. Right on 1,000 RPM. Lift this up. Stop that to disengage the locks. Push this up here. And pull this and put it back up. Wow, it's not even that full anyway. I was pulling that. My AC stopped working. I got the windows open. Nothing. Warm air. Never shut the tractor off, never touched anything up there. Just all of a sudden, got hot, stopped working. Which really kind of sucks, because it's pretty darn hot today. It's more humid than freaking hot. Yeah. I tried to leave the door open, it just flops back shut, so whatever, it's gonna be a long next couple days unless we switch tractors. Ooh, bumpy. Okay, we'll line her up. So I'm going to show you how we set it up. A little backwards. I know I showed this in the last chopping video, but if you haven't seen it, well, here you go. So you push this clip back right here. Like that. That folds down. So here's the silage. This will move like that. Dump it into here. Now go up into here. Into there. Yeah, I wouldn't want to go in there. You just unclip this. Like that. Put this right up here. Let me set you down for a second. Alright, then you gotta line it up on the PTO shaft. Come on. I gotta set you guys down. There we go. Okay, I got it like that. You gotta push this back and slide it forwards. Like this. Kind of hard to do that one-handed. Make sure this is a neutral. Just the beaters. Lock that down. All that lever does down there, I just locked down, is it engages the box. So I'll turn the PTO on very slowly. Throttle up. Gotta make sure the steering wheel's halfway straight. There goes Roger with the rake. Shifting up now. So now we are using all 5 tractors. 4 people running 5 tractors. And some people wonder why we have 5. This is why. If I haven't said it already, I'm in this 4450 unloading. Full head. The 4430 is on the bagger. The other 4450 is chopping. The 4440, what is he doing? Anyway, the 4440 is cutting more hay for chopping, and he is going to double up the windrows for chopping. So it's his 3rd crop, and it's not very high yielding 3rd crop, because we haven't had a decent rain in really all year. In June it rained a lot. It just didn't, like, it rained often, just enough to ruin your day or make hay. But it really would only rain a tenth or 2 at a time. We haven't had an inch of rain since April or so, maybe before that. Maybe even May, I don't remember. But it's been a while. It's been 6 or 7 weeks since we had at least a quarter to a half inch. So it's pretty dang dry. Whoop, I've seen this before. there, but it's been our lucky day. So we broke these 4 bolts that go to the sway block to this. AC compressor went out of this tractor and went out of this tractor. Both 50s AC compressors junk. Broke those bolts in the sway block. Surprised the chopper and chopper box didn't go rolling down the hill and blow up.